Hey. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Do you know what kind of train this is?
Huh?
Train. Do you know what kind of train this is? Well, do ya?
Of course. It's a magic train. We're going to the North Pole.
Ah, I know it's a magic train. Actually, it's a Baldwin 284 S3 class Berkshire-type steam locomotive. Built in 1931 as the Baldwin Locomotive Works. It weighs 456,100 pounds and has a tractive
Are we really going to the North Pole?
Top speed is... Hey, look, everybody!
Isn't that wonderful?
Herbeshheimers! Herbeshheimers! Wow, look at all those presents. I want all of them.
It's so Christmassy, cozy, beautiful.
Tickets. Tickets, please. Tickets. Ticket, please. Try your pocket. Try your other pocket. Thank you, sir.
Hey, watch out there.
Thank you, sir. That is a public address microphone. It is not a toy. Not a toy.
Boy, that guy sure likes to show off with his ticket punch. Look at that wise guy punched on my ticket. L.E. What the heck does that mean?
Stop 115.44. Expo.
We're heading for the other side of the tracks.
Well, you coming?
Nah, it's just another pickup. That's weird. I thought you were supposed to be the last one.
Why, to the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express. Suit yourself.
Hey, that kid wants to get on the train. Come on! Hurry up! We have to stop the train. I don't know how to stop
Pull the emergency brake!
Who in the blazes applied that emergency brake?
He did!
You. In case you didn't know, that cord is for emergency purposes only. And in case you weren't aware, tonight is Christmas Eve. And in case you hadn't noticed, this train is on a very tight schedule. Now, young man, Christmas may not be important to some people, but it is very important to the rest of us.